In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fulfill shipping for Sam's Club. We'll walk through the full process from receiving the order all the way to delivery monitoring and returns so you can handle each shipment accurately and on time. To begin, log into your seller account and open the orders section. This is where you'll find any new customer purchases that need to be fulfilled. Once you open the order, carefully review the order details, including the item purchased, the quantity, and the shipping address. This is an important first check because confirming everything upfront helps prevent avoidable shipping mistakes later. Next, prepare the product for shipment. Start by verifying that you're sending the correct item in the correct quantity. Then inspect the product to make sure it's in good condition and free from damage. If everything looks good, pack the item securely using the appropriate packaging materials. The goal here is to protect the product during transit, so choose packaging that fits the item well and helps reduce movement inside the box. After that, it's time to purchase a shipping label. Select a supported shipping carrier based on your fulfillment setup. Then purchase or generate the shipping label for that order. Once the label is ready, print it clearly and attach it securely to the package. Make sure the label is easy to read and placed flat on the package so it can be scanned properly during transit. With the package labeled, you're ready to ship the order. Drop it off with the selected carrier or schedule a pickup depending on your process. Be sure to ship the order within your stated handling time. Staying within that window is important for maintaining good seller performance and avoiding late shipment issues. Once the package has been shipped, go back into the order in your seller portal and upload the tracking information. Enter the carrier name, add the tracking number, and mark the order as shipped. This step is essential because it allows the customer to monitor the delivery status and helps keep the order record complete and accurate. From there, continue to monitor the shipment until it shows as delivered. If any delay comes up, communicate with the customer promptly and work with the carrier if needed. Clear communication can help reduce confusion and improve the customer experience. Finally, if a customer requests a return, follow your approved return policy. Provide return instructions if applicable, and once the item is received back and inspected, process the refund according to marketplace policies. And that's the complete shipping fulfillment workflow for Sam's Club.